So what to do on a rainy day? We chose laundry. What would you choose? So here we are in wine country outside of Temecula, and we came across these amazing big giant balloons. Wow. More over that way as well. All right, so now we're getting a bit of an idea here. This guy on the ground is pulling the balloon over because they're deflating it. So the people are staying in the basket to keep the weight there so it doesn't move.
Here comes their bride.
But they're deflating it and pulling it over to pack it up for the day. There we go. And of course he's gonna park right in front of us, wreck our view.
It comes down fast.
Wow, that's coming down real fast. Wow, when the air is chopped, that's pretty wild.
Oh, you get stuck in there. Uh-oh.
You have to be careful you don't get buried.
Who's pulling the top of it to be on the top?
Whoa.
And then they probably roll it up.
Wow. We got more coming in. Got one more over here. This side you don't see. Wow. Just gotta be careful it doesn't get trapped in there, I imagine. These guys are really pulling this one. Wow, that's wild. Those guys are really trying hard to not go down.
Look at all the olives, Dad.
Look at that. Look at this. Those kids gotta hustle to get that thing together. Finally got her down. So they're pulling it out of the way so the other one can be taken down in that same spot. Wow, look at the size of that. All right. We got the new rack. This is the swingway. So the swingway is over here, and we got it attached down here. So this here opens up like that, and then this here unlatches. It swings out. It's got a lock in the back here. In the very back, it's actually keyed shut. So now this will open. Boom. Now we have that part. Stay tuned for part 2. Welcome back. It's just to start at the beginning. So over here, we've taken out the rest of the components for the bike rack. So the bike rack is called the One Up USA. And as you can see, well, maybe you can't see. As you can see, this is how the rack looks. This part here gets assembled and slides into the hitch. So I have beneath us a swingway rack. So that plugs in directly into my trailer hitch, straight in through here. And it's got a lock underneath. Then there is an extension here which plugs into the swingway. And that's got a lock here. Up here is the rack that goes into the elevated extension. All that is because of the way the box sits, how it swings in front and how the hitch rack has to slide out of the way because of the doors, etc. So what I'm doing now is I'm assembling the rack into that elevated extension, if that makes sense. Here we go. Oh. So this piece here, which is the bottom part of the rack that goes into the hitch. This part here has a plate that needs to be down. And I'm doing that right now, starting the process. Step 1 complete. This is now solid. Well, except for that part there. So the next phase is, let me rephrase that. The next phase is here, going into these holes here. As you can see right there, which is where the tray that the bike sits in. There'll be one on that side, and there'll be one on the other side. So see 1 and 2. I haven't put the second one on yet, which is these 2 pieces here and this piece here. They get added on to here and bring it out. Right now I'm only concerned with having one bike because that's all I have is one bike and it's not here yet. So I'm gonna have this one as is and store the other pieces in the back of the van, and when the second whenever the second bike is around, I've got the pieces to put it on. That's all I got for there. So that's it.